Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to insert checkmark in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give a like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly, select the cell where you want to add checkmark in Excel. So after selecting the cells, you can see insert option. So just click on insert, and then you can see symbols options at the right side. So just click on it. So after this you can see equation and symbol. So just click on symbol. So after this here you can see different symbols. So you can select anyone according to you. So you can see here check mark. So just click on it, and then after selecting, click on insert. So you can see check mark is inserted. So after this you can also change the positions. So if you want to in middle, so you can see in this way you can add in the middle side. So if you want to add the check mark in box, so you can also add it. So again click on insert, then click on symbols, and here you can see again symbol option. So just click on it, and you can see check mark in box. You can also insert it. So just click on it, and then click on insert. So you can see check mark in box is inserted. So if you want to increase the size of check mark, so just click on home, and then you can see you can also change the size of the check mark. So after this, if you want to keep in the middle side, so just click on it, and you can see check mark is on the middle side. So guys, in this way you can add check mark in the Excel. So if you want to add the check mark on the other cells, so here you can also copy this check mark by press the Ctrl and C, and then select the cell where you want to paste. After this press Ctrl and V. So you can see check mark is inserted. So guys, in this way you can add check mark in Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.